Hey, hi. So this one is an impromptu live and we didn't really announce it today. Now I'm going to come a little bit in the center. But yes, so we didn't announce a live today. What all is happening in the studio, we're absolutely caught up. This month has been fabulous thanks to all of you, Chandigarh. And then of course, it's been a busy month with lots of activities. Now, this is the last day of September. We're all knee deep in, prepping for our next launches. We have a show in Mumbai, we have a show in Delhi, and of course it's the season which is Diwali, Karwa Chauth. So बहुत तैयारियां चल रही है, and of course lot of work happening also on what we are shipping to you, getting everything to ship to you, because all of the orders are going out, they're in process, so lot of work. So yeah, it's very busy time. तो आज हमने एक typical live नहीं सोचा, हमने सोचा कि that we'll come to you, and but of course you need to see something. I'm also traveling tomorrow, so there's no live now for the next 2-3 days. So I had to show you some amazing silk fabrics that we have had. Now yes, so we are going to be showing you lots of beautiful pieces. Thank you so much. Now we have lots of fabrics for you today. अब फैब्रिक्स की ये बात है that of course I think the great thing that many of you have done are bought complete sets, and I think it makes so much sense. But also at the same time, I know that many of you feel that एक fabric है, if you wear it, and that's why I'm also showing it to you really close. You can kind of see it. Now this is a beautiful satin fabric. Satin is also a Katan silk base, but जिस तरीके से इसको weave किया जाता है, it's also very different. So, it looks kind of, the finish is always very soft, very smooth. And this one is complete these small buttas. And we have many colors in it, and including some new ones, which I want to show. Look at that. The beautiful colors, all of this. Now, something like this hot pink, looks stunning with a pink dupatta. You can even do our organza dupatta, the 12,800 one, with some detailing. Now, मेरा ये कहना है that if you are prepping up for Diwali, tak any events, even of course the shadi season, because shadi mein you need more prep. We're already it's already running late now because you have a dupatta tied, like a tassel hona hai, all of that, and then you have to stitch it. It's all really last minute. So we need to kind of close on these beautiful pieces that you've been thinking, and of course all of this month be free shipping and international 20,000 and above. So that's itself a great way to get some of these fabulous fabrics to wear. Now look at that, that's a beautiful red. Ye chote hai boote, so they will look really nice on a same on same. I even love these two fabrics together, like say you're wearing them in one kali. It looks really good. Now, this one is absolutely brilliant singularly for the reason that it's a neutral base hai. Aap red, pink, green, black, blue, whatever you wear, it's going to look amazing on it. So that's a very nice one as well. The last color in it is this one. So I think it's a very hot pink. So this is also a really nice one. Now all of these fabrics are in the satin base, and you can check on the price of this one, and you can of course come on WhatsApp and place your order for this. Now next up, what I have for you is this. Look at that. This is our Kadwa fabric in Katan silk, or isme recently, okay, so all the satin fabrics that I just showed you, sare hi 5,800 per meter, and you can go and buy as much as you like by the meter. Now or of course अगर आप उसमें लेते हैं चिनिया bottom, तो वो टेक्सचर अलग होगा क्योंकि वो फैब्रिक सैटिन है. तो बेस्ट लुक is same on same, otherwise you can take a plain chinia bottom. Now look at this. This is such a nice Kadwa buta, very neutral look to wear upon, like say any piece that you have. And today I also have something very interesting, which is a chai at my side. So yeah, and hope you guys are also relaxing. It's a Monday morning, but yeah, this month is, I think, just so full of being really hectic and then having that really nice breaks in between. So of course second is an off for us. But now look at that. That's a very nice orange. I love the fact that you can wear this as a complete look. और एक इसका जो बहुत नया कलर आया है वो ये है. You have seen that we've been showing so many dupattas. अब जो dyeable दुपट्टे हैं आप जो भी चाहें, you know, whatever dyeable dupatta you want, the 18,800 one, the 26,800 one, even the 12,000, 14,800 one, जो भी आप चाहें वो सब इनके साथ डाई तो हो ही सकते हैं. And of course there's no live for the, you know, next few days, so make sure that you make the most of it. This is a brand new color. I think it looks wonderful. It's a deep pink color, so it's a very nice color. I'm also, you know, very happy that look at the sky. It's so beautiful today, especially for us in Mumbai. हमारे लिए थोड़ी big deal है. We have seen so many cloudy and rainy days that yeah, we have really been waiting for it. So finally you can see some sunshine. Yeah, I do have a beautiful view right here. So it's always, you know, a plus when I have the time to just see outside. Anyways, now look at that. This is the, yeah, this is this design. Now it's back in this lovely dark palette and such a nice blue, you know. And the best thing about the pieces that you see is that, you know, ये खुद में ही अगर आप सोचो तो ये एक dress है, you know. And now these are like full than, so you can go for like, this is a brand new than, you can go for 5 meters, 6 meters, make your entire outfit with them. It's a wonderfully rich color. It's a deep blue color, so I think it's absolutely amazing. इसी का जो एक color है वो ये है. This is again, you know, you will see this pink. There is a pink also in it, and look at that, all gold zari. And typically, of course, all of them will be gold zari. You can see that. So very nice. Now, ये when you are wearing it, now एक color मैं और दिखाती हूँ आपको. This is a mint green color. Now think that you're wearing them together, and you know, or you just for a color reference, you're even wearing ये वाला color, and then you have taken a pink dupatta on it. They look amazing. You know, you do kali को alternate कली of, ये तो बहुत ज्यादा कॉन्ट्रास्ट है, बट जो कलर्स थोड़े, you know, आसपास सिमिलर होते हैं, if you make them in कलीज they also look nice. So go by the meter. आपको just you have to send a screenshot, and जिनका भी बता पा रही हूँ मैं, of course I will tell you, otherwise you can always just send a screenshot. Now this one is a maroon color, and I think it's really good. बहुत दिन बाद I think we've done a maroon in silk like this, and no meena, just this and gold. So as I said, short, you can't go wrong with all of this. So it's a great way to wear it. Now, of course, if you have not heard, we are coming to the Taj Mahal Palace on the 4th. We're going to be there all day long. In fact, we are opening it at 9. We're there from 9 to 8, 9, whatever, you know, we pull it along. And it's at the Ruby Room. It's on the first floor of Taj Mahal Palace, Colaba, Mumbai. Okay, so if you're in Mumbai, around, you've been planning, you should drop in. It's going to be a fabulous one because we're going to be bringing really premium stuff. All of this we are showing you is season ke liye. That is what we are going to be bringing with us. So that's on the 4th, and it's going to be one hell of a one show. Of course, it's Hiranya, so that's what continues for us to be showing to you. Ye season ka special hai. So Delhi hum aa rahe hain on the 16th and the 17th at the Claridges, Aurangzeb Road, Central Delhi. So वहाँ हम आ रहे हैं, and वहाँ भी हम अपने प्रीमियम सिल्क्स लाएंगे. So that's what you can expect. अगर आप नए हैं तो आप जरूर हमारे पेज देखें, लाइव्स देखें, वेबसाइट पे कुछ प्राइजेस भी देख सकते हैं if you want to know. So all of that is possible. But yes, dupattas, fabric, suits, but mostly silks. Now, that's of course going to be our main fabric that we're going to be doing, but you can always see some really pretty fabrics like this. Now this one I'm showing you, look at that. This is a Georgette fabric. Look how pretty it is. Just see this. And you know, I love the fact that sometimes, you know, when you do a live like this, you can really show all the details that are there to be shown. Yes, we ship worldwide. हम दुनिया भर में ship करते हैं, पहली बात. दूसरी बात, इस महीने 20,000 के ऊपर ऑर्डर वैल्यू, फ्री शिपिंग है. तो जब आप वो सोच रहे हैं लुक फॉर करवा चौथ और दिवाली, ask us, we will ship it to you. Wear that dupatta, even if you feel है सूट नहीं है, दुपट्टा, we have such fabulous dupattas. Just get them shipped, wear it, it will give you a completely new look. And yes, everybody in Delhi, we are going to be there. Mark your calendars. 2 दिन है हम, and it's the place where we show, it's called St. George. It's St. George at the Claridges, and we're going to be there, and हम अपने beautiful pieces आपको दिखाएंगे. तो आपको जरूर आना है. And you know, if it's the first time, you know, my special invite to come, touch, feel and shop. So Bombay, get ready to shop guys, because it's going to be really amazing collection that's there. And yes, we are also in Bombay, but we are on one side, that's why we are coming to the other side to make sure that you are going to come. And of course it's a it's a statement, it's such a iconic place always to be in at the Taj Mahal, so it's always fun to do that. Now look at that. This is what I was saying, that silks to hanging, but these most beautiful georgettes, and look at that. These are our premium ones, 8,800 per meter, but look at them. Just now, why I'm showing these two together, you can wear it together to make it dressy. You can use them in kalis, you can use them as top and bottom. बहुत सुंदर है. When I say kali, right, and ये especially for a lot of people who find that width अगर आपको जो standard suits में कम पड़ रही है, तो आप side में जो ये fabric है दूसरा, उसकी कली use करें sides में, or you can do a yoke and then alternatively use it. तो look becomes beautiful, and of course in case you feel that fabric, but this you can again buy it by the meter. I think this is the last cut. This one is the last cut. ये मेरे पास शायद है, और मैं now I'm going to show you one sample dupatta with it. ये वाला. So look at that. You can see the sample dupatta with it. I've done it in the matching of the yellow, but you can also go for the same. It will look, but थोड़ा सा contrast से बहुत सुंदर look आता है. So that's what I was trying to show. Now I'm going to show you this one. Let's show you this. Now you can see a same on same look, how it's going to look. These are all georgettes to be bought by the meter. This is one really nice dupatta, and you go for it. I think it looks really, really nice. Now look at that. That's an orange, and such lovely pieces. Now georgettes के साथ bottom georgette कर सकते हैं आप, pure georgette, but it's more than plain silk, the price per meter. So makes sense to do also plain silk with it. थोड़ा look भी ज़्यादा आता है, because चमक आ जाती है. Now look at how perfect this set is. I think it's just absolutely amazing. So very beautiful. ऐसा ही set हम इसमें भी बना सकते हैं. This is the blue color. I can do a set like this with it also, and I can also show you something like this, which is this. Now this is the white which we've dyed, so you can even see the beauty of this particular piece. Now I'll show you exactly how it looks when it's dyed like this. So you can, this is what I'm showing you. This is a beautiful shade, but अगर आप चाहें तो आप अपनी choice की कोई भी color dye करा सकते हैं. And this one, I like this. It's because especially the yellow really comes out very well on this one. So this one is of course a separate design. इसमें भी हमारे पास white में है. You can check the per meter prices of all of these. These are Meenakari with georgette. I think they are very, very nice. Now the last lot that I have here are some amazing fabrics again. And the good thing is, when I do it from here, I can just show it to you all in detail. And then I can also, now I'm going to keep it like this. First thing, I want to show you this new stripe fabric. Look at that. Now this is like two kind of stripes woven together, pure Katan silk, and yeah, just generally like really nice silk fabric. Now I can take it back and just show you the width of it. Broad hai thoda, so it looks very different. Same on same करें, just kurta करें, plain bottom करें, that's also possible. But yeah, all in all, very nice for kurtas, and I think they look really special. So ये बहुत अच्छा है. Now, is this pink same? Yeah, see, you can also do this. You can do this. You can wear iska kurta and iska bottom. It will be such a fabulous look. And then if you wear a heavy dupatta, तब तो क्या बात है. Even if not, ये खुद में this top and bottom or bottom and kurta, whichever way you use, will look so amazing. So it's a really nice one to be wearing. So there you go. That's one. Now next up, I have this. It's a black and it's a silk black, and it's always good. You can't go wrong with it. Look at that. The verticals, they will just come like this. तो बहुत सुंदर लगेंगे. The stripes. Now इसको अगर आप देखो, so you can also do this black on black. Okay, so this is also a fabulous look that you can be going for it together. It's a rose design. I'm going to show it to you very close, so you can see the golds are exact matched, and then of course there is silver in it. But मेरा ये कहना है that even if it means that wearing a dupatta that you have, कई बार ये बात होती है that you know are the exact same matching colors. See, I think we should not worry so much about it. You know, of course कई बार matter करता है, but अगर matter उतना करता है then you should go for suit sets. But you know there is a joy in creating your own outfits, you know, and your combinations, और आप उसको mix करते हैं, match करते हैं, थोड़ा accentuation करते हैं. Or at the end of it, the magic is in your hand, and you guys are, you know, absolutely fabulous, because it's about how you're going to be carrying it, rather than so much about that. Perfect. Of course, there is a time and place for all, but otherwise, बहुत सुंदर लगते हैं. And you can of course get these individually as well. A nice black kurta, if you're wearing, you know, be it a dinner out, you're heading out, हमेशा ही अच्छा लगता है. Now this one is a next one. उसी concept में of diagonals, but with a green meena. So this is also one. They're all pure Katan silks, I think, whatever I've shown you today. And this is the last lot that I have of these amazing colors. Now this is such a beautiful color. It's a gold. It's a proper gold color. तो जब भी आप ये सोच रहे हैं कि मुझे एक दुपट्टा पहनना है, हमारे पास इतनी रिक्वेस्ट आती है. Now there are a lot of golds, okay, but this is one kind of gold. Now this is like proper gold shade, and then you wear a red dupatta, you wear a blue, you wear a green, you wear a pink. कुछ भी आपने पहना है, it looks amazing. It's a very pretty one, and I love the fact that it can be so neutral that you can wear anything on it. I'm just showing you. See how nice purple looks, and then this blue looks, and then this blue looks. You know, so just showing that कोई भी आप उठा सकते हैं इसके साथ. So it's a very nice neutral one. Now there you go. Next up, here it is. So there you go. This is of course a turquoise blue. And usually my team will always tell you कि ये blue है. Like they will just say that's a shade of blue, this is a shade of blue, because that's our policy. As a policy, we don't tell you the exact, you know, color which it may seem to us, because you know रंगों का खेल ऐसा ही है. It's all about visuals, right? And I mean scientifically it can be different to you and me. So makes no point saying that you know this is this exact color. But yeah, we'll always give you the right idea, because at the end of it हम सब natural light में कर रहे हैं. You can even see the lovely sky and clouds out there. It's absolutely amazing. So this is a very nice neutral blue to be wearing. Very stunning, very good for wearing at night. You know, I think it's a very nice, very stunning color. And lastly, this one. So, you know, these are also really good. I'm also going to end with 3 Munga silk suits, you know, just 3, not much, so that there is a fabric variety. And obviously, because we spoke so much about the fact that kai bar matching, you know, we have that thing in mind. So, you know, now this. Now, look at this. I have some amazing colors. This is a blue. This is a pink. And yes, there is a lovely orange. Look at that. I have all of these. And there are Meena in these. All of them. So, you can see. And then there is this this is like a orangish. This is a brownish. And then there is a pinkish. All of these beautiful suit sets. और इनमें सभी में there is Meena, there is Munga. And what I'm going to do is, of course, the bottoms are सब में ready. So that's the really good part. कि सब आज ही ship हो जाएंगे. You don't have to, you know, worry about that. But look at that. That's your full look. And it's a very light gold. It's actually not silver. It may appear, कई बार लगता है, but silver नहीं है. If I put it with silver, then you will know कि हाँ ये एकदम ही silver नहीं है. So you know that's the whole thing. It's a beautiful one. Look at that. It's an amazing color. मैं आपको एक color दिखा देती हूँ. You go for your favorite one, whichever you like most. सब के bottoms, tassels सब ready हैं. आप आज बोले हम आज आपको ship कर देंगे. You know, so that is how it is. Everything is ready for you to go. Now look at that. This is a beautiful shade of brown and very soft, flowy. The colors come out beautifully. इनका जो price है, I think it is 40,800. So the price is also really good for a full set. And now look at that. ये देखिए, this is a lovely, lovely shade of purple. और इसका जैसे अगर आप bottom भी देख रहे हैं तो ये भी ready है. So that is also ready. Now the color next up is this orangish one. I like this because this is very different. So full complete sets. अच्छा, अगर आपको you know you're thinking for Karwa Chauth or Diwali, now if you take it, then you will be able to get it ready in time. So you know that's your first things first. And of course, then the shadi season, which is also around the corner. Now you can see the pink, and it's very pretty. The last one that I'm showing you here is a blue. So this is the one. Now this color looks amazing. Chahe koi bhi fabric ho, it is this deep color. But you know, it's very enjoyable because there's this Meena here and all of these things for the suit to be worn. Very flowy, very soft. And you know, that Meena just kind of adds to the color of it. So that's all from me today, and yes, really good to catch up with all of you. It was a short one, but yeah, we've shown you lots of beautiful pieces to go and get on WhatsApp now. We're not having a live for the next 2-3 days, so this is your chance to grab these beautiful fabrics. I will see you soon. Tomorrow is a new month. The year is about to end, and it's wow, yeah, that was very, very fast. But anyways, have a great day, great week ahead. And I will see you really soon again. Bye-bye.